Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe. If this gives you a hint, you're right. Zucchini bread. My dad has been asking for zucchini bread. My best friend Kathleen Blair makes the best zucchini bread, but I'm going to try my best to replicate it and hopefully it tastes just as good as hers. You're going to need 3 cups of grated zucchini, 1 cup of nuts, that is optional, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Did I say the sugar? 1½ cups of sugar if I didn't say that. All right, let me show you how we're going to put it together. First thing we're going to do is grate our zucchini. And it says to grate it on the large hose, so we're going to do that. Okay, my grandbaby's here, and she might help me pour the stuff in the bowl, okay? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, move this out of the way, and we're going to pour our dry ingredients right inside our bowl. Okay, Aubrey, I'm going to hand you the stuff, and you pour it in there for me, okay? Why don't you go get your stool, step stool, and
No, I don't need one.
Oh, you don't need one now? Okay. All right, here. We're going to pour our 1½ cups of sugar. Pour it in the bowl.
Very sugary.
Very sugary. Papa Joe's going to like this, ain't he?
Like liquid.
3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here you go. Pour it right in the bowl. Whoa.
Oh, that's so messy.
Is it amazing?
Messy.
Now we've got 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Pour that in there. Right in the bowl. Good job. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour it in the bowl. Okay. We've got 1 teaspoon of sea salt. It said fine sea salt. These are the flakes. Hopefully that'll be okay. Okay, Aubrey, pour that in the bowl. Okay. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Pour it in the bowl. All right.
Now that's blackish.
Yeah. Now we're going to take a whisk. And we're going to whisk it around.
I want to do it.
Yeah,
I
like
want to
that.
do it.
Whisk it around. Here, let me get it started first so I can get that mixed up down in there, and then you can help me, okay? We're going to need a big bowl to make this, ain't we, Sissy? I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl out to make this. It takes a lot of room, don't it? Here, you stir it a little bit while I get a big bowl out.
Okay.
It's okay. This might not be much bigger. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, now we got to do the wet ingredients. Now we're going to do the wet ingredients. Pour our eggs in there.
Wow.
3 room temperature eggs.
Wow eggs.
Right here.
Wow. Wow.
What do you think about that?
Wow.
Raw eggs. 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You want to pour it in there?
Oops.
Good job. All right. Now we're going to take our whisk. And we're going to whisk that together, Aubrey. There you go. Whisk it together for Grammy. Whisk, whisk, whisk.
This is easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Awesome. Put some vanilla in it. We're going to put a tablespoon of vanilla paste. Let's see. There you go. Whisk it some more, Sissy. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Don't that smell good? Smells yummy. Papa Joe's gonna like that, ain't he? All right. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Hopefully this will be a big enough bowl for all that. Wait just a minute, Aubrey. Wait just a minute. Grammy's going to have to get a spoon because this is so thick. Okay? And it says not to drain or squeeze the liquid out of your zucchini. Most of the ones that I've made, you do. So I think that's where the liquid comes from for this. So that's a good thing. Mix that up there. See, it's pretty thick. I think when we add that zucchini, it'll loosen up. I will leave the recipe down in the description box, the link to it. So make sure you check that out. Let me know, have you ever made zucchini bread? Do you like zucchini bread? I love zucchini. I love all vegetables, honestly. Now I'm going to put in our zucchini. It says 3 cups. That is thick. That's hard to stir. I think it is going to give it that wet though, because it's getting a lot more wet than it was. See, you can tell it's a lot more moist. I think my little helper went back to watch Peppa Pig. It's hard sometimes to film when you babysit all the time. But I do the best I can, and it's just my life, okay? All right. Now, see, we got it incorporated good. I'm going to add 1 cup of black walnuts. You could also add pecans. Black walnuts is what I have, and Daddy likes black walnuts. So I think this is going to taste really good. All right, and this does make 2 loaves. I have 2 loaves pan that's been sprayed and greased. We're just going to half our batter between these 2. Let's see. My daddy has been asking me to make this, and I don't know why I kept putting it off. It wasn't hard to make. I've made it for him before. But for some reason, he keeps saying he wants my friend to make it. I think he just likes hers better. But anyway, we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes. And I'll meet you back here and we'll see what it looks like, okay? Okay, they just came out of the oven. They did bake for 50 minutes. So I'm going to, whoops, look at that, how easy that come out. Look at those 2 loaves of zucchini bread. I've got them on the cooling rack. And when they cool, we'll do a taste test. Looks delicious, don't it? Okay, our zucchini bread is cool enough to cut, and I'm gonna see if it's easier to cut on this side. I think so. Okay, I'll put this part back up here. My daddy said he could only eat a half a loaf. He didn't want a whole loaf. Okay, right there's what it looks like on the inside. It's got some walnuts. You can see those zucchini pieces. It smells really good. Let's take a bite. Really good. You can taste that black walnuts in it. I don't really get a flavor of zucchini. Not out of that one bite. You can taste the cinnamon. Okay, my grandbaby's calling, so I gotta go. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me.